An old photograph of Ahan Pandey and Tara Sutaria has resurfaced online, sparking a wave of nostalgia among fans. It's a candid throwback, offering a rare peek into a time before either of them became household names. In the picture, a young Ahan is seen kneeling in front of Tara, holding her hand with a wide smile on his face, while Tara bursts into laughter, exuding that effortless charm we all know her for. The two were once rumored to be more than just friends, and this image takes fans back to a time when their connection seemed so much simpler. Fast forward to today, and both Ahan and Tara have evolved into stars in their own right. Ahan, who made his big screen debut with the blockbuster Sayara, is riding high on success. The romantic drama, directed by Mohit Suri, has already become one of 2025's biggest hits, earning him praise as Bollywood's next big thing. Ahan is also making headlines for his rumored romance with Sayara co-star Aneet Padda. The two recently celebrated Aneet's 23rd birthday, and a video from the celebration has gone viral. In the clip, Ahan sweetly feeds her cake, with the movie's title track playing in the background, a moment that's captured the hearts of fans. Meanwhile, Tara Sutaria is in the spotlight for her own reasons. She recently turned heads at Manish Malhotra's Diwali party, dressed in a dazzling gold outfit. Her presence was nothing short of vintage glamour, lighting up the festive night. Tara later shared a sweet Instagram post, giving fans a closer look at the night. She captioned it, "Last night with my firecracker. For our dearest at Manish Malhotra 05, my favorite host always," a playful nod to her rumored boyfriend, Veer Pahariya, who was by her side at the event. From the carefree moments in that throwback picture to where they are today, both Ahan and Tara are clearly shining bright in their own journeys, and fans can't wait to see what comes next. Social media went wild recently when YouTube sensation MrBeast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, shared a photo on his Instagram story with Bollywood's legendary trio, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and Aamir Khan. The picture was taken during their recent meeting at an event in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and it instantly went viral. Along with the photo, MrBeast posted a cryptic message that got fans buzzing. "Hey India, should we all do something together?" This simple question sent shockwaves through social media, sparking wild speculation about a possible collaboration between MrBeast and the three Khans. In the photo, Shah Rukh and Salman look dashing in sharp suits, while Aamir stands out in a stylish Indo-Western black kurta and white pants. MrBeast, always in his signature style, is rocking an all-black ensemble. It's a picture-perfect moment that has fans wondering, could this be the start of something big? The internet is flooded with fan theories and excitement. One user on X joked, "After Ambani, only MrBeast has brought all three Khans together in one frame." Another fan speculated, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan and Aamir Khan with MrBeast. On fire MrBeast next collab or what? For over 3 decades, Shah Rukh, Salman, and Aamir have ruled the Hindi film industry. Despite their massive stardom, their relationship hasn't always been smooth. Once known for their rivalries, the trio now shares a bond of mutual respect and camaraderie. Shah Rukh and Salman, who once had a rumored rift, have rekindled their strong friendship, while Aamir maintains cordial relations with both. They even supported each other publicly, including at the screening of Aamir's Sitare Zameen Par in Mumbai. And while the trio starred in Shah Rukh's son Ayan Khan's directorial debut The Bads of Bollywood, they didn't share scenes together, but their presence still meant a lot to fans. So, could a collaboration between the world's biggest YouTuber and Bollywood's biggest stars be on the horizon? Fans certainly hope so, and only time will tell. Television actor Arjun Bijlani has emerged victorious on the gripping reality show Rise and Fall, hosted by Ashneer Grover. On Friday morning, Arjun stepped off the sets, beaming with joy as he held the prize trophy in his hands. Fans couldn't hold back their excitement, flooding social media with messages calling Arjun the most deserving winner. His victory has been widely celebrated by his supporters, who have backed him throughout the show. Along with Arjun, the other contestants in the final were Aruj, who finished as the first runner-up, and Arbaz Patel, who claimed the second runner-up spot. Also competing were Dhanashri Verma, Nayandeep Rakshit, Arush Bhola, and Akriti Negi, all of whom fought hard for the Rise and Fall trophy. Rise and Fall was a unique show, with its fascinating concept of power struggles. The contestants were divided into two groups: the opulent rulers living in a luxurious penthouse and the workers in a basement, struggling to complete tasks to earn their place in the penthouse. The workers could overthrow the rulers and take their spot, while the rulers worked to maintain their privileged positions. And while the fame and trophy are one thing, Arjun's journey also came with a substantial cash prize. Reports suggest it's approximately 30 lakh rupees, although the exact amount hasn't been confirmed yet. With this victory, Arjun Bijlani has certainly earned his place as the Rise and Fall champion, and fans are eager to see what's next for this talented actor. Kapil Sharma's restaurant, Caps Cafe, located in Surrey, was the target of a violent attack for the third time this Thursday. Multiple gunshots were fired outside the eatery, sending shockwaves through the community. A video of the incident has gone viral, and on social media, a post by Kulveer Sidhu, also known as Goldie Dhillon, has caught everyone's attention. Sidhu, allegedly connected to the notorious Lawrence Bishnoi gang, claimed responsibility for the attack. In a post written in Punjabi, Sidhu said, "Today, the firing that took place 3 times at Caps Cafe in Surrey, the responsibility for it is taken by me, Kulveer Sidhu, and Goldie Millon. We have no enmity with the general public. Those who have issues with us should stay away. People who are involved in illegal activities and don't pay after taking money from others should also be ready. Anyone in Bollywood who speaks against religion should also be prepared. A bullet can come from anywhere, anytime." This isn't the first time Caps Cafe has been attacked. Just a few months ago, in July, the Bishnoi gang fired around 25 rounds at the restaurant while staff members were still inside. After the July attack, the cafe reopened, but just a month later, on 7th August, the gang targeted the place again. They even took to social media to claim responsibility, warning Kapil Sharma for not responding to their calls. In their post, they threatened, "The next action will be taken soon in Mumbai." This series of attacks has left people questioning what's next. But one thing is clear, the situation continues to escalate. We'll be following this developing story closely. Stay tuned for more updates.